I heard Brother Akhi Ayman a few moments ago speak about TikTok, and something very funny happened. In Leeds, you know, I spoke to one of the elderly Pakistani uncles and I asked him, "How are you?" He said, "TikTok." I said, "How are you?" He said, "TikTok." I said, "You saw me on TikTok?" He says, "Nahi, TikTok." I said, "What do you mean?" He said, "TikTok." So I looked at him and I said, "Uncle, you're so old, do you watch TikTok?" He says, "No, since I'm small, TikTok." I said, "Since you are small," meaning since he was little. He says, "Yes, TikTok." I said, "I thought TikTok started a few years ago." He says, No, me, my father generation." I got shocked. One brother told me, TikTok in Urdu means I'm okay, I'm fine, everything is fine, right? Kaise ho? TikTok, right? May Allah Almighty bless us. So now if you don't know Urdu and someone asks you, "How are you?" you got to say? No, you got to say Alhamdulillah. Come on, guys. You got to say Alhamdulillah. May Allah Almighty grant us ease. May Allah Almighty bless you all. And may Allah Almighty bless the uncle and all the other uncles and aunts.